Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Universe and Life. In today's video we will discuss how the birth of universe takes place. I'll study it in detail in just 5 minutes. So don't skip the video and watch the video till the end to get all knowledge about how the universe formed in just 5 minutes. So let's start the video. From the tiniest particle on the earth to the our galaxy called Milky Way. This is all the universe, space, time, matter, and energy. But where it come from? Where it is started from? The many myths were adopted, like ancient Egyptian creation myths and many other Hindus and mythological myths of many countries. But most trusted one theory is the Big Bang theory, which is start from very hot and infinitely dense point, which was only a few millimeters wide and similar to a supercharged black hole. Once it exploded about 13.7 billion years ago, and this led to create to the main things of the universe called matter, energy, space, and time. About many years, no changes were taken, but there were two eras going on. The first was the radiation era, and second was the matter era. First, there was a radiation era in which the universe was hot and has many epics, and these epics were divided into many parts, and we'll see one by one what happened in these parts. So first was the Planck epic. In this, in universe no matter existed and only energy was existed, and these forces of nature were divided into only one camp for super force. And suddenly, in grand unification, the gravity split off from this camp and many more also split. And because of his more dramatic changes in the next era called inflammatory, the universe expanded rapidly, and this expansion was more like an atom to the orange, and many more particles were also formed, electrons, quarks, etc. But the temperature was more, so they not combined, and all the forces were now in the forces of nature camp. And in quark period, many elements were formed, but the hotness of the universe was more, by which they don't combine to form elements. But in hadron epoch, the temperature cooled it enough to form neutrons and protons, and in lepton and nuclear epoch, they combined to form the nucleus, and this created the first element of the universe called helium. And this helium was the first element to found in the universe according to the Big Bang theory. And here the radiation era ended, and now the new era started called the matter era. In this era, many changes took place to benefit the universe. Now we see it is so. In this epic, atomic and galactic changes were took place. The temperature now more cold enough, and also cooled more to form the recombination process. So this, because of this recombination process, many of the elements like hydrogen, helium, and many more were formed, and this galactic changes a cloud. Because of this formation of element, many elements come together to form the many clouds, and from these clouds they give birth to the galaxies, which are the billions and millions of stars together. And the stars were very important to sustain the universe we see. The stars were called the origin or the main
thing of the universe, a main character. These stars have all the compounds which are found in periodic table, almost all, and from the stars many compounds transferred to the planets, the moons, etc. These compounds were now transferred to the planets which we see around us. They are also in you and many more things. The cars we see also has these compounds transformed from the stars, and this transformation lead to a universe which we see today, which is very beautiful and ongoing to
Video we
many
discuss how the birth of universe takes place or how it came in existence, because of which we are standing here. So like this video and subscribe my channel to get regular updates and like this knowledgeable and interesting videos. So thanks for watching.